Hello, everybody. My name is the Crimson Falcon. Today we'll be doing Zedge ringtones. I've never heard of this, but let's do it. Alright.
Watch me, nay, nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip. Kill it. Watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Can you do it? Now watch me. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh, watch
I have to restart that. Alright, wait a second.
Now watch me whip. Kill it. Now watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip. Kill it. Watch me, nay, nay.
This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright.
Hey. Sugar. Oh, I heard that.
Mom! Mommy! 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 Mama! 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 Ma! 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 Ma!
Jesus.
They did the mash,
They did the monster mash.
the monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
They did the mash.
Your sister is calling.
Your sister is calling. Your sister is calling. Your sister is calling. Are you gonna pick up the phone? Pick it up. It's your sister.
No, I hate her. NFL football Sunday, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I want to hear.
Your brother is attempting to reach you
I
on
don't
your
have a
cellular
brother.
device.
You crap hole. Turn down for what?
Turn down for what?
Mama would. Alright, shut up.
Ring, 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 ring.
Alright.
First thing first, out of all my niggas.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's my best friend calling me again. I wonder if something's wrong. This is only the 12th time my best friend's called me all day.
12th
Yeah, best friends are
time?
cool because they know when you're sleeping, they know when you're awake, they know when you're leaving the house,
Just
they know
like
when you're happy.
Santa.
An idiot is attempting to
nice.
reach you on your
Yeah.
cellular device.
I once had that happen once.
Your son is
I don't
attempting
have a
to
son.
Yeah, hey, look, you probably don't want to answer your phone because it's work calling again.
Oh, word.
So what we get drunk.
So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. Alright.
Warning! Warning! Bullshitter alert!
Alright. Oh, yeah. Whoops.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh,
No. Alright. Oh, yeah. Nasty freestyle.
First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't want it if that ass don't sit.
Cruise. Oh, yeah, I love this. Oh, shut up.
Why the fuck you lying?
Ah, my best friend. This is it. Bad as bone. I don't want to do my thing. Jeez. Vote. Just a little vote.
Ring. Bitch, alert. Listen.
Okay. Monsters. This is from Uma Thurman and Fallout Boy. Uma Thurman. Yeah. That's crap. The good, the bad, and ugly. Yeah, I just saved humanity. Crazy Mexican.
It's your telephone. Pick up, 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 pick up. Only guacamole.
What? The Walking Dead. Oh yeah. Batman on Joe. It sounds just like him. Enough. Carrying your love.
Breaking news. Mike is calling. According to the New York Times.
Shipping a baby rocket ship going through the sky. Your mom is a guy. I'm aboard. There's nothing to explore. There's nowhere to hide. Little Einstein. We on a mission. Start the countdown. Down with white sickness. Alright. Dear. Oh yeah.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to
Alright. Who wants to die? Suck it. Night Trader. Trader.
Asshole calling! Asshole calling! There's an...
Our country now. Redneck women. Did all those women just say that? John Cena. Hello, darling. Cousin.
Your cousin is attempting
Creepy
to reach
music
you on your
box. No, I'm just kidding. Frick that. Country ball. No, D's nuts.
These nuts.
D's nuts.
Got him. Got him.
Man, it's not that funny.
I'm just a cold beer drinker.
Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's giving me a headache.
Hello. Wake up or I kill you. Hello.
That's racist. Star Wars. Da 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 da. Who let the dogs out?
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Well, the party was nice.
The F word.
I think I know the answer, Mr. Garrison. Shut up, fat boy. All right, don't call me fat, you fucking Jew.
Eric, did you just just say the F word?
Yes.
Jew? No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle.
Why the fuck not?
Aaron.
Dude, you just said fuck again.
Oh my God.
Stanley.
Who?
Kenny.
What's the big deal? It doesn't hurt anybody. Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuck.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
Oh.
Did you say?
Oh my gosh, he's boss. Yeah, he just. What the heck? Text message.
Text message.
Alright. Fat bottomed girls. Police. Extreme clock alarm. Alright. Incoming! Oh, amazed. Psycho. Jailhouse. Wow. Yeah, I heard it. Alright. Oh, me too. Thinking I found myself a cheerleader. She's a... sorry. Oh, Time Rock.
Where are you? We got a cool.
Sweet Home. This is mine. Oh yeah, Kill Bill. Track. Fireball.
Fireball.
And
Why
Sword.
won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone. What do you think? You're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little. Why won't you answer me? I'm not gonna ring forever, pal. And when I'm done ringing, that's it. You can say goodbye.
Wow. Over the raindrop. And his name is John. NFL theme. We heard that. Twilight. It's not Twilight. Well,
It's your
yeah.
mother. Pick it up.
Drug dealer.
Hello, it's your drug dealer.
Oh my god. Just me and you. One. Lily says. Jack Sparrow. Frozen. I think I just died. You know you do. You know you like it though. Popcorn. Redneck.
Answer the phone or I'm whooping your ass. Answer the phone.
I've had enough of people cussing. So, that's the end of this video today. There will be a part 2 for that. So, I will see you later. And guys,